Hello, and welcome to Quietude, the podcast for connecting with nature no matter where you are. I'm Sally Trufan, a certified nature and forest therapy guide. This podcast is all about helping you connect with the nature that surrounds you every day, whether that's in your own backyard or a nearby park, or just what you can see looking out a window. We all know that spending time in nature is great for both our physical and mental health. But in our busy lives, a 2 to 3 hour walk in the woods, while awesome, isn't something we can do very frequently. But we can set aside 10 to 15 minutes a few times a week to connect with the natural world that we see every day. In each episode, I'll offer an invitation to go out and explore your nearby nature space. This might be by noticing some small detail of a plant or animal, or using your sense of smell or touch in a new way. I hope to make these fun and exciting while also relaxing, joyful, and letting you connect just a little bit closer to nature. So let's go explore. Begin by standing quietly and taking a few deep breaths. Imagine that the nature around you is aware of your presence, just as you are aware of it. Feel how the ground supports your feet, how the air flows in and out of your lungs, how the sounds of this place surround you. You are being held and supported in this moment by the living world all around you. Notice what it feels like to be received by nature without needing to do anything. You don't have to be productive or accomplish anything. Your presence alone is enough. Let yourself experience the pleasure of simply being here, participating in the life of this place through your awareness. As you move slowly through the landscape, pause whenever you feel drawn to something. It may be a shaft of light, a bird searching for food on the ground, or the movement of the leaves in the breeze. Allow yourself to linger with whatever catches your attention, savoring the pleasure of unhurried time. Notice how it feels to follow your natural curiosity without any particular goal. For the next 10 minutes, give yourself permission to enjoy these simple gifts of nature fully and in the moment. I will track time for you and let you know when 10 minutes have passed. It's been 2 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. It's been 8 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, but of course you are welcome to continue your time in nature for as long as you wish. When you're ready, ask yourself, what did you notice? You can use a journal to record your thoughts or share them on our Patreon page. You can find our Patreon page at patreon.com/QuietudePod. I hope you found this little nature break enjoyable. Please be sure to check out my other episodes for more nature connection moments. And remember, nature connection is really a way of life, not just for special occasions. Bye.